Oh wow, you guys, look. It's crazy. My baby. Alright. We've walked the whole entire enclave. Well, except for, well, the parts that you can't walk. So we're over here by the waterfall now. Ah! There it is. Hey guys. Hey Tasha. Hey Dante. Hey TJ. Can't wait to see y'all here. Because this, uh-oh, is amazing. A water drop. Better be careful. Look at all that. Free sea moss, Tasha. Free sea moss, William. My baby. It's beautiful. All right. Jeez. I'm sinking. It's beautiful. Oh, it feels so good over here. Wow. My baby with a book. Let's look in that cave. Just beautiful. I'm sinking, y'all. I want one of these rocks. Oh, that's in there. Good gracious. I gotta get over here. Oh my God. Look at that. Oops, sorry. So close. Look at that. There's my baby. And we're just gonna go out on that. June 13th. Beautiful beach with my babies. And some good books. I love you, buddy. Okay, we're gonna go out with mommy. Buddy in the background. Love y'all. Joy.